Mark Wright and Michelle Keegan have been living the dream as they jetted off on their second holiday this year. The Brassic actress and the Heart radio star, both 34, have been sunning themselves on paradise beaches in Turks and Caicos. 5. Mark Wright and Michelle Keegan are enjoying a luxury holiday in Turks and Caicos. Credit, Instagram. 5. The couple have splashed out on a £2,000 a night hotel. Credit, Instagram. 5. The resort has stunning features and plenty of outdoor dining. Credit, Instagram. The married couple have shared snaps of a 5-star holiday and splashed out on a £2,000 a night luxury beach break. Mark gave fans a glimpse of the stunning resort, which boasts balcony views and plenty of outdoor dining. They can also soak up the sunshine at the beach, which is a few steps away from their hotel. Their holiday comes after they swapped the UK drizzle for sun-kissed Mexico, where they rang in the new year. The married couple have been driving fans wild with their stunning photos of the idyllic holiday. The Our Girl star sunned her admirable body and took to Instagram to share photos of their matching cocktails. She captioned a string of photos, "A little taste of Mexico, Mexico." The snaps revealed the pair slotted in some afternoons for sightseeing, visiting a religious shrine, and ancient Mayan ruins. Michelle looked as gorgeous as ever in a blue striped bikini top and shorts. Mark also gave fans a peek into their luxury holiday, sharing a look at the delicious food and drinks he's been enjoying while away. He also showed off their hotel's impressive pool set against the idyllic Mexican Sea. Their trip came days after he revealed he is cancer-free after having a tumor removed from his armpit, and encouraged his fans to get checked. He said, "I got the all clear the other day, it's cancer-free. It's in the past, we move on. I feel so lucky. I've had the worry and anxiety of what this could have been. I'm not gonna lie, it really gave me and my family a scare." The couple's sunny holiday has not been without its share of stress, as flight tippers dumped loads of rubbish near their Swish-a-New pad. Fly tippers are thought to have struck on Boxing Day, blocking a lay-by. Floorboards, a suitcase and a mangled chair are also seen having apparently been ditched on the road. The couple bought their home for £1.3 million but set about turning it into a high-tech mansion bristling with security features. 5. The resort has incredible views. Credit, Instagram. 5. The pair can take a dip in the sea. Credit, Instagram. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.